Ito mga job seekers, ito po yung buong detalye ng kanilang hiring papuntang Croatia. So nangangailangan po sila ng bus driver. Yung qualification po is minimum of 2 years of work experience as a bus driver, proficient English communication, with D license category, 165 cm in tall and above, experience in driving passenger buses, safety transport passengers and goods, perform pre-departure vehicle inspection, adhere to routes and schedules, report mechanical issues promptly, code 3 not later than September 9, 2008 below. Requirements po nito mga ka-job seekers is updated CV or resume, passport copy, DFE apostille in BI clearance must be valid minimum 11 months, high school or college diploma, certificate of employment. Para po sa gusto mag-apply, pakisend lamang po ng inyong mga updated resume sa kanilang email address, career@premierglobal.com.ph. Yan po yung nakita nyo ngayon sa inyong mga screen mga ka-job seekers. Ang agency po nito is Premier Global Recruitment OPC. Yan po yung nakalagay dito mga ka-job seekers. So yun lang po, good luck and follow for more hiring updates.